Baby Thomas.
Kick those legs.
Kick, yeah.
Look at his legs
Are
go.
you running? Are you running? Whoa. Whoa, Thomas.
He's totally running.
What do you think, Thomas? You like the swing? Yeah, baby. Oh, runny.
Look at him. He runs every time he goes forward.
We're going to show this to your first girlfriend in high school. Whoa, look at you run. Look at you run. Runny.
He only runs coming forward.
I don't know what's the deal with that. Whoa. Higher? Okay. Whoa, Thomas.